Unraveling the meaning of Pileup, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss, the phrase, pileup. This is a word you might have come across in various contexts, and today we're going to dive deep into its meanings and how to use it in sentences. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. The word, pileup, essentially refers to a situation where a number of things have accumulated or been stacked up on top of each other. This can apply to both tangible objects and more abstract concepts. For example, you might have a pileup of books on your desk, meaning there are many books stacked together in a messy way. Pileup is very commonly used to describe a traffic accident involving multiple vehicles. In this context, a pileup happens when cars or other vehicles crash into each other, often in a chain reaction, leading to a large, tangled mess on the road. For example, the snowy conditions led to a massive pileup on the highway. Apart from physical objects and traffic accidents, pileup can also refer to an accumulation of work or responsibilities. For instance, if you have a lot of work assignments to complete, you might say, "I have a pileup of work to get through this week." This conveys the idea of having a large quantity of tasks that have built up over time. Now that we understand the different contexts in which pileup can be used, let's look at some example sentences. The bookshelf broke, causing a pileup of books on the floor. There was a huge pileup on the interstate due to the icy conditions. I need to sort out my emails. There's been a pileup since I was on vacation. And that's a wrap on today's topic, pileup. We hope this video has helped you understand the different ways in which this phrase can be used. Remember, whether it's a stack of objects, a traffic accident, or a backlog of work, pileup refers to a large accumulation of things. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.